Okay, in this example, it looks like there are 3 logs. They are actually multiplying. Man, oh man, let's see what we can do with that. Let me write down the equation and we'll see if we can tackle it. All right, so I do have 2 logs on the left-hand side and just 1 on the right-hand side. But I can use property of logs that says that log of A minus log of B can be condensed into 1 log. Well, what log is that? Well, that would be log of a fraction. So 7x plus 17 will be on the top and 8 will be on the bottom. Okay, and that should be equal to log of x plus 2. Now that I have log of something on the left and log of something else on the right, I can now undo the logs and get rid of them, and that's will make it 7x plus 17 divided by 8 equal x plus 2. Now, how can we solve something like that? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to rewrite the right-hand side as a fraction. So I will write it as x plus 2 divided by 1, right? Because you can always divide by 1. That is not going to change the expression. And now this is a proportion that I can solve by cross multiplying. Okay, so I'm going to multiply like this, multiply like that, and then make them equal each other. Okay, so 1 will be multiplied by 7x plus 17. And that will be equal to 8 multiplied by parentheses x plus 2. Okay, so 1 times anything doesn't change it. So 7x plus 17 would be equal to, now let us start distributing that 8 to each term. So that will become 8x plus 8 times 2 is 16. All right, now that I have something like this, I want variables on one side and a number on the other side. Well, I like to leave positive coefficients of x, so I will subtract 7x from both sides, and that will cancel it here. And I'm going to get 17 equal 8x minus 7x. Well, that's just x, just one x, plus 16. Because I want my variables on the right-hand side and numbers on the left-hand side, the next step is to subtract 16 from both sides. And that looks like it's just going to be 1. So x equals 1. Now, even though you think that that's a solution of the original equation, it might not be, because logs of negative numbers and 0 is undefined. So possibly that is actually an extraneous solution. So you need to plug in that number both in the left-hand side and the right-hand side and make sure that nothing is undefined. So I'm going to plug in that 1 into the left-hand side. In place of x, I'm going to put 1. Okay, so far nothing wrong. Okay, I got that part. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side. And you can see that nothing is undefined. The two sides are the same. So that means that x equals 1 is a solution.